Look at Lulu. Look at Ollie. I got a new toy. Hi, Ollie. Hi, Lulu. They do not like the camera. That's why I always do it outside the cage. But hey, you guys want a new toy? Yeah, I got a new toy for you. See, that's all. That's all done away with. Yeah, that one's kind of chewed up too. They probably could still be chewing on this one, but the other one, I think I'm gonna trade it out. We got a new toy, and here it is. All living things. I really like all living things bird toys. Yeah, they're very, very nice, and I've never had a problem with them. Yeah, look it, guys. Got a new toy. What do you think? What do you think, Ollie? They're always afraid of new toys.
Yeah.
And then they go, what? What's that, a new toy? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's new. You guys gonna go check it out? You gonna go check it out? What'd you think, Ollie? Are you gonna go over there? He's like, whoa, what's that? What is that, Ollie? Is that a new toy? It's like, I gotta check it out. You gonna check it out? I don't know. Check it out. There you go. Yep, she knows. Ollie, you know, huh? Ollie, you gonna play with your new toy? I know you will. Because you love those kind of toys. There she goes. She's playing with it. Get it, Ollie. Get it, get it. There you go. It's like, hey, a new toy, man. What do you think? What do you think, Lulu? You gonna let Ollie play with their toy? Yeah. Hey, if you like these kind of videos, you know what to do. You gotta click on the subscribe and then click on the bell, because then you'll know when I put up a new video. I put up videos of my dogs, my birds, and my fish and frogs so far. So come back, subscribe. We'll talk to you guys all later. Be kind to animals. Bye now. You gonna say bye now, Lulu? Ollie, you gonna say goodbye? You gonna say goodbye? Bye-bye.